What's good, chat? 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 Give me a second. Let me announce. Boom, boom, and boom. And boom, and boom. Hi, everybody. What's going on? What is going on? What is up? What is up? What is up? What's up, biggest of buddies? What's good, Nick? Bad day for you, Nick, huh? It's a real bad day for Nick, man. It's a real bad day for Nick. You know what's crazy? Is you got the zone right, too. Bro, everything was... You got everything right. But, like... Man... Fuck, dude. That shit sucks, bro. That is the actual worst. Okay, so let's do everything here. Start of the live. Let me tell you guys what's going on, what we're doing, what's going on, what we're doing. Okay. Very simple. You guys ready? I have 2 TPT accounts. Actually, I have 1 that I'm going to basically just be... You know what I'm saying? We're going to just be like, you know what I'm saying? Boom. So, because, and the reason why we're doing that, why we're basically going to be, I just realized I didn't really say anything there. So, we're going to be sizing up on that. I personally, I'm going to be sizing up on that, and I'm going to look to, basically, we're either blowing that joint or we're running it up. All right. There's no middle ground. Okay. Either we make 10K or it goes to 0. And that's fine. You want to know why? Because we are starting a fresh stack of TPT accounts. Fresh stack of TPT accounts, fresh 5 accounts, starting from eval all the way to the payout. Again, we already did it. We already did it once. We took 2 payouts on it. And now we're doing it again, okay? It was supposed to happen today, but I'm just giving everybody like an extra, you know, whatever, however long, because I do still have that account, okay? I do still have this account. So, you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do is we are pretty much going to lock in on this one. This is at $3,000 profit right now. So we have $3,000 of buffer to play with here. Again, goal is to either make an ungodly amount of money or we are going to blow the account, okay? Either one is fine. Lucids, I'm kind of putting on the back burner because for this move up that we're finally seeing now from my exact level, I want to be on TPTs because you can make a lot more on the TPTs, okay? And the funded portion of the TPT is a lot easier than the... No, not for full porting, bro. It's not for full porting. I don't full port. But the Lucids, I still have them as 2 fundeds and 1 eval. But again, I'm putting them on the back burner because I can make a lot more on the TPTs. And that's why for this move up here, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna trade the TPTs. Okay. So yeah, I did record the weekly outlook. It is already uploaded in the Learnly. But yeah, so I did the weekly outlook earlier. You know, daily outlook, I'll give you guys a daily outlook, right? Daily outlook is very, very simple. I'm expecting an open, low, high close. Okay, I'm bullish on the day, right? I'm bullish on the day. Where am I going to be bullish from? Well, it's very simple. We only have 1 higher time frame PDRA here. It's this 4-hour fair value gap. So, basically, we're looking for a move higher from this 4-hour fair value gap. We're already getting the move higher now, but I believe we put in low of the week here in the 4-hour fair value gap, right? We're gonna put in the low inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. Where can We need a Learnly command. No, we don't, Dylan, because you can only access Learnly if you have either a free member role in the Discord or if you have the paid role for the premium one. Key, what? What happened? What happened? Where can we access weekly outlook? I can't find a Discord on our weekly outlook. Jacqueline, you have to be premium. It's only for premium. It's only available in there. In that long key, think that low holds? I agree, Dan. 100% I agree. I think this low holds, and I think, well, we have to see a 15-minute change in state in order to know for sure that this low holds, but more than likely that low holds, and we get a trade here on a... Fuck, I mean... Shit. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, I would like to see this lower 15-minute. I don't know if we'll get it. But let's see, bro. Yeah, my FVG retest, Yusuf. Yeah, FVG retest, bro. I'm slapping this because this is for sure gonna go higher. It's always nice, yo. This is why I love swing trading, because I've had QQQ calls for the last 3 days, right? Every single day I wake up, I check, up 2,000, up 3,000, up 4,000. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing, bro. It's really amazing what swing trading will do. So today, right, just on that swing trade, up $3,100 just on that swing trade, right? Plus whatever we're going to make here on day trading as well. You know, very nice, very nice. What's the long-term targets? All-time high, bro. All-time high. That's where this thing is going. I don't know if anybody knows. How many of you guys know what happened to Leopold? How many of you guys know what the Leopold and Ken Griffin thing? How many of you guys know about that? Technically, would you have been able to enter in the order block? It depends. Yeah, but you can. I personally wouldn't. I would enter on the fair value gap. I prefer fair value gaps over order blocks. Crystal, what's up? What's up? He died of an what? Yeah, basically. Okay, so for whoever doesn't know, Leopold. So Ken Griffin is a shark, right? He's an absolute whale. Actually, not even a whale. Better term is shark. So Ken Griffin runs Citadel, right? Which is the best hedge fund that exists. And so obviously he's got a lot of money. I'm the next Ken Griffin, mark my words. And Leopold is basically like an up-and-coming prodigy, right? Leopold takes $200 million and turns it into $45 billion with a B. $1 billion, right? And I don't really know what all. I believe he was invested heavily into chip stocks. He wasn't hedged properly, so like that was like a big mistake on his part. He wasn't hedged properly, and he basically ends up getting absolutely smoked by Ken Griffin, because Ken Griffin over the weekend, or no, sorry, not over the weekend, on Tuesday, puts out a memo to Citadel that there might be a surprise rate hike. And obviously that kind of spooks the market. And because it spooks the market, we make another leg lower. We go another 500 points lower off of that before FOMC. And yeah, Leopold gets liquidated. And Ken Griffin basically gets to buy everything at like a 50 to 60% discount. And that is taking place at the lows, right? Wednesday, Thursday is when this is taking place. So basically, you know, a very, very big player is out of the game, and Ken Griffin is is in the longs. You know, and over the weekend, I tell you guys this all the time, and it's to focus on the chart more than just random news that comes out. Like, fuck the news, just focus on the chart. And the chart hit the level that we had at the lows. We hit the level, and surprise, surprise, over the weekend, we get Iran negotiations, right? Who could have possibly guessed that was going to happen, right? It's almost as if the same thing happened at the yearly low. Almost as if the same thing happened. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? I think that the low is in. I think the low is in. Monthly low is in. There's no reason for us to continue lower. So therefore, I am exclusively longing and trading the move higher. So, yeah. That's my thoughts. That's where I'm at. I'm in a position at 912. Not bad. Not bad. I was low-key thinking about entering on that 5-minute pullback. I should have. Bro. I really, bro, I'm just waiting for a pullback. We get a nice pullback. I'm going to start slapping, bro. I'm going to do a little bit of martingale, bro. I'm going to do a little bit of martingale. I'm going to start slapping. Like low-key, I'm looking to put on 2 minis. All right. I'm looking to put 2 minis onto this trade. Fuck it. We're slapping now. Fuck it. Let's start it. Let's start it off. We're slapping. 3 micros in. 3 micros in. 17 micros left. 17 micros left. Let's go. Okay. Listen, I'm going to just say this right now. Okay. I'm going to say this again. I am only trading this on my one TPT account. Okay. That's the last one that's deep in profits, $3,000 in profit. And my goal is to either make a lot of money on this or blow the account because we're starting a new fresh TPT stack. Okay. So if that's not where your head is at, don't try following what I'm going to do because I'm literally, this is like degen. This is straight degen. That's what we're doing. Okay. That's genuinely what we're doing. I have a bias, but I don't have any entry here. I'm just slapping. Okay. That's just want to make sure you guys know that. Don't get liquidated like Leopold, bro. I mean, I can't promise anything, twin. Let's get the music going, baby. Let's get the music going. Let's get the music going. Hey, bro, wait for me to have my account locked. Don't get raw dog, bro. I do the raw dogging. I don't get raw dogged. I do the raw dogging. 1 micro every 10 points. Something like that, bro. Something like that. Exit out. I'm on 912 area because you said something about a retracement to weekly low. What? No, I did not. I never said that, gang. When did I ever say that? This stream, I said we're going to retrace a weekly low? A code you gave me last week, tried using it on Saturday, it didn't work. My Discord name is Amijama. Oh, I do remember you winning a code. Okay, let me check it. I'll just send you another one if that one doesn't work. Messed up words by saying the... Yeah, I was talking about the daily low, bro. I was talking about daily low. I said daily low is going to get put in inside of this fair value gap, which it is. Oh, brother. TPT or slow, bro. Haven't received my code yet. I know, bro. I know. You said weekly? Oh, did I? Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry, I apologize. I didn't mean to make you get out of your position. When do you expect TPT accounts to be issued? Yeah, there's a few people that won the TPT accounts. I don't think anybody has gotten them. So I will check and make sure. But yeah. Do you think CBR 650R is a good starter bike? No. I do not. Hopefully price comes back. My account is locked for another 10 minutes. Don't go tilting just because price doesn't come back, all right? You doing this in New York tomorrow too, or just tonight? Doing what? Tell me a good starter bike. I don't know, like a 300cc something. I don't know. 250k TPT, 150k Lucid. Your code W. Oh my god, are we just not gonna pull back? Oh my days. Dan. Yo, Dan. Dan, we are up. Yo, TS is pumping. I'm not even gonna get to average down, bro. I'm gonna have to average up. Broski. Broski. I mean, where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Right here, guys. This is a TP right here. And this. That's another TP right there. We just pushed into a 15-minute fair value gap, but wow, what a leg into that 15-minute gap. Holy shit. Trading evals are funded. This is a funded, bro. This is a pro. This is a TPT pro. $29,122, $29,137, 2 TPs that I have here. We can also mark out this right here. I'm just marking out 15-minute swing highs right now, by the way, guys. 15-minute swing highs. And then we mark out that. What about daily? What do we have on the daily? Do we have anything on the daily? Okay, that's the daily high right there. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we'll take it. Wow, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god. What is going on? W, bro. What a move. I'm telling you guys, bro. BTFD. BTFD, bro. That's it. That's all you got to do. BTFD. Everybody better like the stream right now. Everybody better like the stream. Everybody better like the stream. You're full of shit? Excuse me? The fuck? Pat? Fuck you talking about, Pat? The hell? Pat, you alright? I was in longs for 3 hours, got out right before you entered and made the move, made $50. Bro, what? Why would you get out? It was a perfect move into the 4-hour fair value gap and then move higher. It was a joke, bro. I say good job after it's expression. Oh, okay. Well, I've never heard that expression, but kind of rude expression, to be honest, but all right. Thanks, man. Wow. I mean, like, wow. Like, what do I even do, bro? Everybody like the stream, bro. Everybody like the stream. Come on, let's go. Like up the stream. That's the most free, I think, $500 I've ever made in my entire career as a trader, ever. It was so free. I passed my Lucid Flex eval we allocated. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Boat. Made 1370. Should I trade to make 1500 to half pass? Yeah. What was your entry model for this? Vibes, bro. Straight vibes, Cleasy. Because there really was no entry there. That's why I only entered 3 micros. I want a 2 mini full position, but I have 17 micros left. I think I'm in a 10th of my position, maybe. If you do the math. So, yeah, I mean, shit, like, we kind of have to go BE here, right? I'm going BE. Because if we come down, well, like, this will get a 15-minute change in state of delivery here, and then we have a confirmed protected low, right? This low is a protected low. But I want to see this close, and then maybe the next candle or the next few candles come down and we hit the 15-minute gap. Maybe. I don't know. Not sure. We're feeling about the new daily Lucid accounts. Foxco, I like TPTs a lot more, man. I like TPTs a lot more. Not that they're bad, but I like TPTs more, personally. Only thing I wasn't happy with longing from that 4 hour is we're high in premium. It's not going to matter, bro. You guys got to understand, bro. Premium and discount is so irrelevant in a trending market. It's completely irrelevant. Does not matter. We're not going to come down to discount. When the move is this strong, we do not come to discount. Okay? So premium and discount, completely irrelevant. Throw it out of the window if you have a strong move in the market, because it's not going to come down to a discount and then go, right? The chances of that happening are very, very low. Where can I learn your strat? It's on my YouTube. It's on my YouTube. Where would you re-enter? 15-minute fair value gap, bro. 15-minute fair... You guys are going to see, because I'm going to add to this trade. Don't worry. Don't worry. But yeah, guys, starting tomorrow, I'm going to be bringing on my 5 TPT evals. So the TPT accounts, which is what we trade here. Okay, that's what I'm trading right now. As you can see, this is a Take Profit Pro. These accounts are the ones that I primarily trade on stream. I trade them here in front of you guys from eval to payout. Okay, we did it last month. We took them from eval to 20K payout, right? Took 2 payouts, total 20K last month. It's a new month. We're doing it again. All right, we're doing it again. So if you guys want to tail and follow along, you guys can always get the TPT accounts. They're 40% off, no activation using code KEY, and we'll trade them here together. What size accounts? I'm going to be trading 50Ks. I only really trade the 50Ks. Yo, I changed the chat to sub only, and people are subscribing just to type in, like, this guy, Jack. He literally subscribed. It's probably a bot, right? He literally subscribed. He actually, he might have been subbed for a while, right? But these are his only messages in the stream. This stream. What are we doing? What are we doing, man? How can I fix tilting? I've lost so many accounts to it. Bro, you gotta understand there's always going to be another move. There's always going to be another move. If you miss the move in this session, guess what? Just wait till New York. There will be another move in that session. I can guarantee you this. So you got a decision to make, right? Do you blow your accounts trying to chase the move in this session? Or do you just save your money, wait for the next session, trade that, and catch the move? Because I promise you there's going to be one. 930 is going to open. There's going to be a Judas swing. It's going to go lower. There's going to be an entry. You're going to take it higher, and you're going to make money, and then you're going to thank yourself. Or you just blow them now, right? Your call to make. I'm trading New York every day, Enzo. I stream New York and Asia, guys. I stream New York and Asia. Turn on subscriber 1 month and longer. I should, right? Bro, nobody would talk then. Does CPT have intraday drawdown unfunded? It does until $2,000 buffer, which I make it in front of you guys here. So it's very easy. The intraday drawdown on TPT is not difficult at all. It's the easiest firm for intraday drawdown. You're about Top Step charging people? No. How many times it took for you to get a payout? 1 time. Bro keeps winning, mashallah, brother. Thanks, bro. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Top Step charged me 2K without consent, saying pending payment. What? Yo, whoever's still trading on JuStep, you deserve to get scammed, bro. That's all I gotta say, man. If you're trading on JuStep still to this day, in the big 2-6 you're trading on JuStep, come on, bro. Let's get real. Come on. You know? Calm down. Key, I'm tired of winning. That's crazy. I'm the guy that was at the 9-tail level and exited early due to hearing you mention. This is just learning simulations followed through with my trade on top of being risk. My premium is 1-time payment, Nico. I do like Tradeify, yes. Are you able to hold your trades like this, especially after big move up? I've been trying to hold my winners longer. Draw on liquidity. You just got to know where the draw on liquidity is. That's it. Very simple. If you know where the draw is, you'll be fine. So here's the 4 hour. Dylan is a real trench baby, bro. I'm not even gonna, yeah. Yo, Dylan's hilarious, man. I love Dylan. So ideal situation here, we close this 15-minute fair value, or we close this 15-minute candle somewhere in this area, and then we leave this 15-minute gap and we get a re-entry or more entries on that 15-minute gap. That's the ideal situation here. But this candle, this 4-hour candle, is going to be an open low high close, right? So we're looking for this thing to go lower, and then you add on the move lower. Yo, you don't have to spam GTA 5. You don't have to spam, bro. I saw your... I was literally about to read your message, and then you spammed, and now I'm mad. Now I'm just mad. Like, now I don't even want to answer your question anymore. I took the 15-minute FVG, 1-minute CISD at 870. Since there's also... Okay, nice. Yeah, GTA 5. Look, bro. How would I hold it longer? You need to have confidence in your system. You just don't have much confidence in whatever you're trading, right? Whatever system you're trading, you don't have a lot of confidence in it. That's why you're not able to hold your trades. So once you see like certain trades pan out using whatever model you're using for, you know, 100 trades, 200 trades, 300 trades, that's why backtesting is important, right? Because you can backtest your model and see thousands of trades play out. If you can do that, you will gain confidence in your system to the point where, you know, you've seen it happen 499 times before, right? What's different about the 500th time? There's nothing different. So you are able to hold your trade for a little bit longer. Also, it's very important to have a strong bias. A strong bias will fix 99.9% of your problems. 99.9% fixed with a strong bias. So, yeah. You will shut the hell up, bro. You said this trade is now going lower? Where do you guys come up with these things? Where is that? When did I say this trade is now going lower? When did I ever say that? Is there an AI like speaking for me or something? What's going on? In what scenario do you mainly combine IFVG when price taps into a key level on higher time frame? I don't usually trade IFVG. Yo, Dylan, I joined Lil Pump's live today, bro, on TikTok, and I rage baited the shit out of him, bro. I just kept saying fell off. It was hilarious, dude. When you mentioned the candle going lower and then doing something, oh yeah, this 4-hour candle needs to go lower to put in a low, and then we go higher. So open, low, high, close. That's what a bullish candle is. You said Cinderella was your favorite movie is crazy. What level is the possible pullback for re-entry? I don't know. Would you get the C801? Hell no, I hate C8s with a burning passion, bro. Burning passion, I hate C8s. Do you reckon we get a re-entry? Yeah, I think so. On this 4-hour, yeah. This trade might even stop in profit, and then we get the middle fair value gap down here. Very, very big possibility. Very big possibility. Premium discount of this leg right here, yeah, it is 940. So that would be this middle fair value gap, right? But this candle is going to go higher. This 4-hour candle is going to go higher. Why didn't you get out? Brother, I'm in 3 micros. I mean, not even a 1/10 of my position, bro. It's fine. I'll let this go to my stop and profit. I don't care. Guys, I hope you guys, like, realize how detached from this P&L I am. And that is the exact reason why I can make a lot of money. Is because I am straight up completely detached from this P&L. Like, I do not care if this goes to 0. It does not matter to me. I'll let it. When you get in that kind of headspace, you start trading a lot better. On trailing drawdown, that could be really bad. Well, yeah, I don't have trailing drawdown. If I had trailing drawdown, I would have exited it. I don't have trailing drawdown on this account, guys. If I had trailing, I would have sold it already. I do not have any trailing. I swear no one listens. I know. You're telling me. I only get detachment when I'm trading on paper. Yeah, because you're attached to the money. You're attached to the P&L. It's not something that comes with, like, it's not something that you just get immediately, you know? Like, you have to build yourself up to the point where you're no longer thinking about this P&L, right? Look, any kind of, like, trench you guys can possibly think of, I've been in it, bro. I've been in it. All right? I've been through the absolute worst, bro, when it comes to trading. I've been through the worst of the worst. You know what I'm saying? So I've now gotten to a point where I know that me looking and caring about my P&L will only harm me. So why would I do that? Why would I care about the P&L? I don't care, bro. Yeah, like, I literally ignore this number. It means nothing to me. This number could say, I swear to God, this number could say 2,000 right now. I still wouldn't care. I wouldn't care. I could be... Bro, I'm telling you guys, like, you guys gotta... Eventually, you guys will all get to that... that mindset. Because you realize that taking good trades is the only thing that matters. It's the only thing that matters. Okay? So, if you take a good trade, that's more likely going to make you money, right? If you take a shit trade, you're not going to make money. So if you just focus on taking good trades, I promise you, you're going to be just fine. Okay? And good is subjective, but good just means your model, whatever your model you trade is. I'm copy trading 20 accounts right now. It's pretty scary. Well, then you shouldn't be trading 20 accounts, right? If you are feeling like genuine fear trading that many accounts, you shouldn't be trading that many accounts. You should go down to 10 or 5 or whatever. You always seem completely detached from P&L while trading. How did you develop that mindset? Was it just experience? Are there any specific habits or exercises that helped? Any tips? I think one of the things that you guys can do, and this is like a band-aid. It's not really fixing the issue. You go to settings, you go to trading right here. And in your positions, you just change it to ticks, right? So that way you just see ticks. You don't see a P&L, right? That's one of the big things that you guys can do. That helps out a lot. That's how I started, by just kind of detaching myself from P&L. And then eventually, I think it kind of just works its way into your brain, you know, that the P&L doesn't really mean anything. And the only thing that means anything is you sharpening the knife and becoming a better trader. And you becoming a better trader will make you more money, okay? Worrying about money is not going to make you more money. Worrying about being a better trader will make you more money, okay? So here's my thing, right? If you guys sit there and you plan out a trade, okay? Let's say I plan this trade out right here. My stop loss is right here. My TP is right here. This is the trade that I plan out, okay? and price comes down and it tags me into this trade. Okay. Two things. Number one, you go and you hit create limit order on any of your short position, long position tools. Like, let's say you put this up, right click, create limit order. Right here, you put in however many contracts you want to buy, right? So like, let's say you're even market buying. You can put in however many contracts you want to buy, 5. Okay. But let's say limit, we're going to limit 5 micros. This is my trade. You see down here where it tells you exactly what your risk is? $297. Okay. Mentally, part ways with that $297 before you even enter your trade. Feel the emotions you would feel as if you have already lost that $297. Like, it's already gone. Subtract it from your balance. It disappeared. Okay. It makes it a lot easier once you actually get into the trade to hold the trade if you accept this loss before you take the trade. Make sense? Okay. Because, bro, the fact of the matter is that you're not going to get any smarter while you're in a trade, right? You're not getting any smarter when you're in a trade. Very, very simple. Okay? You're not going to develop some crazy... you're not going to get a blast in your IQ by entering the trade, okay? So just enter the trade and let it do its thing. Accept the risk. That's it. Just chill, right? If you have a model that you have back tested for X amount of time and you have statistics on your model that it is clearly a profitable model, then I don't know why you would try to get in the way of that. I have no idea why you would try to get in the way of that. So, you know, just trust your system. Trust your system. Let it do its thing. The buy and sell buttons. Right click, settings, trading, buy and sell buttons. Chubbs, what up? What up? James, what's up? That's the problem, is that no one likes to backtest. Well, the problem is nobody wants to do the things that actually make them money. That's why there's a very, very low population of people that make money trading. How many traders are profitable, bro? How many traders are profitable? You guys know the statistic? I think with prop firms like collectively came out with statistics for how many traders go from funded to payout. Brother, I think it's less than like 3% of traders that go from funded to payout. Less than 3%, right? It's very, very low. The problem is that most people aren't going to do the things that top 3% are doing. It's straight like that, right? If you're not in the top 3%, it's because you don't want to be. You're standing in your own way. That's really what it is. Because whoever's in that top 3% that's getting payouts and is making money is no different than any of you guys. So why can they do it and why can't you? Because you're just not putting in the same level of work they are. It's that easy, bro. I would guess 2% are consistently profitable at most. I think lower, bro. I think the statistic of people that are regularly, like on a weekly basis, pulling money from the market is extremely low. Like extremely, extremely low. I think that number is like close to nothing, bro. Okay, so I thought we were gonna go, I mean, You know what? I'm gonna move my stop. I'm just gonna move it down there for now. And if we go into this lower fair value gap, I will add more. But right here, this area is where I'm gonna start looking to get some adds. We are in the first 15-minute fair value gap. Remember, when we have 3 stacked gaps, we want to look for the middle gap, right? We want to look for the middle one. So if we get the middle gap here, it's a good time to get some longies. What's up? Join your Discord. Welcome in, bro. Welcome in. When did you start trading? This is going to be my 8th year. I'm starting my 8th year in November, so I've started trading a long time ago. That 500 not so free now. It's okay, bro. Because when it goes back up, when I'm full size, it'll be a lot more than 500, so. Almost a deck. Yo, bro, don't say it like that, bro. Don't even say it like that. It sounds horrible when you say it like that. What year was the hardest to trade? I think for me it was 2023. Yeah, 2023 was pretty difficult for me. I didn't make a lot of money in 2023. Did it ever cross your mind that the prop firm space can come to a point where everyone becomes profitable and won't be able to pay everyone that do request payouts? Hell no. That will... The chances of that happening are... Actually, I'm not even going to say slim. The chances of that happening are none. That's what I'll say. Of every prop firm user becoming profitable? Yeah, no, not happening. Ever. 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 Is there a book club in premium? A book club? The fuck? What do you mean a book club? 500 more on my payout. Yo, guys, everybody like the stream. Everybody like the stream. Everybody, yo, all you guys that are coming in right now or have been in here for a while, like the stream, bro. Everybody like up the stream. Let's go. Let's get some likes flowing. Likes are good luck. Likes means re-entry. Likes means re-entry is green. That's what likes mean, all right? The more likes we get, the more likely we are to hit a banger. So let's get the likes up, guys. Everybody, let's get the likes up. Come on. I know the middle of the 3-5 got tapped. I need the 15, my brother. 15 is what we need. 15. Or this is gonna get like a, you could even enter off this 1 minute inverse. If this 1 minute inverse is here, I may just, slap. I don't know why my SMT indicator is like kind of being weird here, but we do have SMT here. Right? We do. We have SMT here. We don't have SMT. Oh, we do. We do. We have SMT with these lows here as well. I just don't know why it's not marking it out. My SMT indicator is being a little stupid. Being a little stupid. 4 hour CE. If we go all the way down there, 9. Yeah, I know. If we go all the way down there, yeah, absolutely. I'm thinking that these, maybe this 15 minute can hold, but the 4 hour CE is 880. So we'll see if we can get to 880. Yeah, not bad. That would mean that it needs to go to the lowest one. Let me mark out 880.75. Let's mark that out. But I'm hoping that we go from... No, it's 8... Bro, Nick. Yo, Nick. I might need you to pull up and, like, start guessing the close every single day, gang. I'm just gonna move that stop break even. Yep, there we go. Got break evened. Change in state is currently right here. We'll see if we can get that 1 minute change in state as well, but we have 15 minute gap. Again, I want to see this one. This is the one that I want to see, the middle one. I need to see a bounce from the middle one. That would be the best look. Nick deserves at least a reach around for that one. Gang. Gang. It's bearish IMO. The last person that came into this chat with some bearish ass shit was this morning. You want to know exactly where he told me that he was entering shorts? There's a guy, he like alerted his position. He like came in here and he was, what was his name, guys? I forget what his name was, but yeah, broski literally said that he was shorting right here, like right here. And he was like, I'm expecting it to reverse. Rumo, yeah, Rumo. Like he was like somewhere in this area. That boy Rumo got his ass handed to him. So, you know, if you want to end up like Rumo, you know, then it's a good idea to short. Saw you bench 3 plates, Brody? I do, yeah. Yeah, I do bench 3 plates. Where'd you see me benching 3 plates, though? I didn't post. Oh, because Lucas took a picture of me doing it. Yeah, true. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Operation Fine Rumo. Leopold Jr. Leopold Jr. is crazy. Oh my god. Yo, come on. Can we hit the 15-minute gap? Don't do that. Hit the gap. Let's go, buddy. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about trading. Thank you, Keyflow, for putting me on. Going to pass my eval now. Guys, that's my girl who just commented that. Mods, I want her permanently banned from my channel. She's not allowed to trade, bro. She cannot trade. She's not allowed. So yeah, let's figure that out. Yo, Ganja Farmer, I was joking, Ganja Farmer, bro. Ganja Farmer, what are you doing, bro? Gang. How long did you do that for? What did you just do, Ganja Farmer, bro? She's unbanned. Everything is okay. All right. Fucking Ganja Farmer, bro. Guy, he got trigger happy, bro. Him and Bam got a switch on it. Him and Bam got, yeah, they got a switch on the ban hammer. Sorry, boss, I couldn't tell you were joking. Bro, how could you not tell I was joking there? Just pass my Ganja 50k account. I love you, Key. Love you too, man. Has not hit the 15-minute gap yet. It has not hit the Oh, hold up. Hold up. SMT. Did she leave the stream? I don't know. I just took 3-minute Wixie. I'm just going to wait for the 1-minute change in state here. If we get the 1-minute change in state, I'll take. 3-minute Wixie is working, though. 3-minute Wixie is working. Sorry, guys. I'll leave now. Peace. Good night. Bro, no. Guys, look what you guys did. You guys got her mad. You got, yo, Ganja Farmer, I need you to write out an apology for banning my girl. Write out a formal apology, ganja farmer. And if she accepts, you could stay as a moderator. But if she doesn't accept, you're gone forever, gang. It's over for you. Why is she not a mod? She doesn't like watch my she doesn't watch my streams as much, you know. She don't be sitting in here watching the streams, so she's already biased against me. This is unfair, but here we go. All right, I'm waiting. Let's hear it. Let's hear it, bro. Let's hear what you got. That's a good idea. Let me mod, let me mod her. All right, we got a new mod. Everybody welcome Miss Mia to the mod list. Miss Mia, all of my mods, they get health insurance, 100K a year salary, and a car of their choice. So, you know, we're gonna have that at your front door very soon, okay? Don't worry. Sorry, Keyflow's girlfriend. As CEO of Ganja Farms Funding, I apologize from the bottom of my heart. I was blindly following orders from Master Harold, and in the future, I will know that you are sturdy. Yo. Oh my god. Okay, she has to accept your apology now. No, I don't think she left. If she accepts your apology, okay, you could stay, bro. But if she doesn't accept your apology, bro, yeah, you're back to Ganja Farms Funding CEO, gang. Like, you're no longer moderator. W apology. Alright, she accepted your apology, bro. You're lucky she's nice. Bro. She accepted your apology. You can stay now. Ganja. When did you enter longs? Down here in this area, bro. 15-minute gap. Indicator settings so I can screenshot real quick. Which indicator? I have a few up on the screen. POV Keyflow is hard. What? What are you talking about? Are you okay? Would your TPB once this gap gets hit? I have them up here. I have TPs up here. The one with the different time frames? Oh, this one? Right here. SMT indicator settings. Right here. Okay, new 15-minute. This should go. This should be the one that goes into this 15-minute gap. You should make a POV channel for the 720S. I have one. Nobody knows about it. One day it's just going to pop up on your guys' YouTube recommended. But right now it's gate kept. Yo, are we just going to go for the CISD now? Like, damn. If it closes above this on the 1 minute, we have a 1 minute CISD as well. Right now, obviously, we have the 15. So this low down here, this low is protected. So we need to get a trade inside of this range here. Between where we're currently trading to this low that we need to get a trade in. I swear to God, if one person asks me if I'm looking for a long or short, I'm going to crash out, bro. I'm going to crash out. It's going to happen. And then I don't want to hear anybody be like, oh, you should be nicer. You should be nicer. Nick, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't want to answer your question, Nick. I don't want to answer your question, Nick. Would you ever go back to Michigan? Hell no, bro. Hell no. You should be nicer, TV. Now my girl's telling me to be nicer too. You guys converted her as well. One K stream and only 350 likes. This is true. Everybody like the stream, bro. Come on. Everybody like, if you're maximize, minimize real quick, scroll down, like. Guys, he didn't invite me to his New York meetup. I live in New York City. That's a damn lie. That is a damn lie. First of all, that's a lie. Guys, this is a lie. This is a lie, guys. Do not actually believe this. Don't actually believe this. If you guys fall for that, that's crazy. Do I look like I would do that? Look at me, bro. Do I look like I would do that? Change in state of delivery. We're in. Stop loss at this low. Go away from... Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna go stop loss this 5-minute low at, or sorry, this 15-minute low. I only did 5 micros because we don't have SMT at this low here. We have SMT at these. We don't have SMT with this one. So I'm gonna let it marinate. But I may add a little bit more. I may add a little bit more. I do still want the lower 15-minute, dude. This looks way better. Like a billion times better, this lower 15-minute. So if we can get that, cool. If not, then I guess we just ride from this one. I guess we ride off into the sunset on this one. Actually, Abby was upset Mia didn't come once she realized you had a girl. Bro, it was her choice that she didn't come. Ask her why she didn't come. She was like, I don't really fuck with your people, so I don't want to come. That's what she told me. Tell her to come to the next one. Valid for that, honestly. Abby was so upset. Wow. Yeah, Abby's Bam's wife. He let me know about this meet. The meetup was pretty like last minute though. You guys, like it wasn't even like, it was basically completely fallen through. That's why I was so unorganized. I wasn't very happy with like the way that it went, to be honest with you guys. I hope that the Miami one is like something we can plan out a little bit better. But yeah, I mean, we made it a good time, I guess. You know, but yeah, Miami one, we're gonna plan that like ahead. And we'll have like more than enough time to get like a nice venue or something like that. Kind of this similar to what we were gonna do with the New York one if everything went according to plan. Did you guys at least get Wagyu? We did not get Wagyu. We did not get Wagyu. When are you thinking for Miami? I have no idea right now. I'm thinking maybe like January. Maybe. I think January. Most likely. Bro put his head mod in a halfway house. Bro, I did not put Dylan there. If you guys saw where Dylan stayed, oh my god, bro. I didn't know Dylan was going to do that. I just paid Dylan and I was like, just let me know like whatever the flights come to or whatever, and I paid him. I sent him like a certain amount of money, and like, bro, he booked a B&B in the absolute trenches, bro. The absolute trenches. Like, he was like sharing the B&B. Like, there was like, bro, it was weird, bro. The way he was explaining it, just a bad time. Bad time. Miami during my birthday month without me is crazy. Well, you're gonna come. All right, that's what's gonna happen. Yo, fly me out for security. Ganja, where do you live, bro? I got you access in Miami for any luxury rentals, bro. No, bro, we're not getting like an Airbnb, bro. What is it? This is not like a 4X. Like we're getting like a venue, like an event space venue thing. Not like a fucking house, bro. Fuck. I'll fly out Ganja. Don't worry, I need a word with him anyway. Oh shit, Ganja. What the fuck? You did the meetup? Bro, I know. S7, I know, bro. Like, realistically, bro, I'm not gonna lie. If you weren't, like, around the New York area, there's no way you were making it because it was so last minute. It was very, very last minute. So, if you missed the first one, you can come to the next one. The next one's gonna be in Miami. I'm in Miami. Can I come even if not on the premium? Your profit maximizer? I'm gonna think about it, bro, because you are pretty active. So I'll see, bro. I'll think about that one. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll see, bro. $11-hour drive. Bam, why are you driving, bro? Why are you trying to drive there? Fly there. You're talking about Dodgy's event? No, I did my own. You ever went to the Netherlands? Nope. Am I active or not? There's an easy way to check. Yo, you are. Low key. You are pretty active. I live in another continent? Bro, there's a plane, bro. Fly. I got access to get you B&Bs in nice places, yachts, jets, and cars if you need any. Okay. All right. W. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yo, guys, I might add... I'm gonna leave it at 8 for now. Remember, I need 2 minis total. I don't need 2 minis, but I want 2 minis total. We put an SMT right here at this low. So I'm thinking that low should hold. This low right here. I'm thinking that low should hold. Let's see. I'll add 2 more in a little bit for a mini. I want to see how it trades here. My TP, I need to see, well, first we need to see these highs, then 122, then 137, then 183. I hate averaging up, bro, and fucking up my entry. It's the worst. But we got a lot of drawdown to play with here, so frick it. Keyflow Cobra MMA event. Winner gets a spin on the wheel. Ooh. Bam versus Rahul. Bam. Actually, that's not even fair, bro. That's not even fair, bro. We can't even do that. I need my fade with everyone. Nick Booby? Wait, who's Booby? Oh, Shin Booby. Rahul is the slapbox king. Bro, yeah. Bro, there's a video of Rahul slapboxing somebody and getting absolutely fucked. It was bad. Where was Shin Booby to run the fade? Bro, if you know Shin Booby, bro, you know he's a lover, not a fighter, bro. Shin Booby's a lover, not a fighter, man. Did Nick get his account? What do you mean, did Nick get his account? I've got a black belt in Taekwondo. Yo, bro, that shit really don't matter, though. Like, Taekwondo and, like, that, yo, none of that shit really don't matter like that in MMA. Where you can really get your shit mollywopped if you don't throw a single punch. That's like, yo, you guys know those guys? It's like this guy, like karate versus, or like one of them where they like fucking, those guys, there's like compilations of those guys versus like MMA fighters and getting absolutely cooked. It's hilarious. There's just like, there's videos of like some geeks. Aikido, is that what it's called? They look like geeks. They look like Minecraft moderators. And they're like doing some weird shit while there's an MMA fighter sitting across from them. And the whole point is like, they're just seeing who's better. I don't know what it is. Muay Thai? Yeah, no, obviously that would help. I went to bare knuckle fights last week. It's straight bar fights, haymaker after haymaker. That's crazy. Yo, that's kind of fucking lit though. That's kind of lit, bro. I just know like bare knuckle is the worst because those fighters like genuinely get like, bro, you can get injured very, very badly, worse than any other like mixed martial arts sport, right? Like anything else. I think bare knuckle fighting, like bare knuckle boxing, you get cooked. From Miami meetup, let's just start a fucking bar brawl. Power slap. Yeah, power slap's fun to watch as well. Nah, bro, it's completely safe. What are you talking about? Yo, Ganja Farms, I don't want to hear it from you, bro. You already are late. Your firm is late on paying some of the members out here, okay? You owe Nick money, right? Payouts are being delayed, and you're over here being all sarcastic in my chat. Like, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Nick broke terms of service? What'd he do? That's the untold story. You sent Nick live or what? You put him on the live program? I do a power slap when I don't follow my rules. He signed an NDA, can't talk about it. He broke 5% consistency. Yo, bro, you guys are jokes. Broke 5% consistency rule is so funny, dude. This Fatuna looks trash. Yeah, well, actually, no, this one doesn't look horrible right now. There's a good chance that we could still go to this lower 15 minute, which is why I haven't added full position yet. So yeah, we'll see. We'll wait and see what happens. I am exposed to a decent amount of risk here on this trade though, because we have 8 micros here. But I'm glad the range got a lot smaller. The range is definitely a lot smaller than it was last week. We're risking $580 here, 580 risk. You know what you could do? Just to save a little bit of risk, I want to see how this reacts in this area here first. But we have 8 right now. We could just size it down, cut back to 5 here. And that would save us a bit if it goes to 48. 20 points of risk there would save on 3 micros. Let's see though. Waiting for your message. I'm not gonna lie. What's your name in the Discord, bro? Because we had a lot of people talking in the general chat earlier. And your message probably got lost in the sauce. Do you want to tag your message one more time? If you can tag your message one more time, that'd be great. Next meetup? I don't know yet, bro. Probably January. Why can't I use SMT divergence indicator on US 100? Because it's CFDs. It's not going to work on CFD. Let's try to hit 600 likes. Show some support to Harold Ski. Yeah, bro. Everybody, come on. Let's like up the stream, man. Let's everybody like up the stream. Come on. Like up the stream. You guys need to be... You guys need spins? Like, is that what you guys need? Because you're not getting them. If you don't like up the stream, you're not getting them. You're not getting the spins. That's what we're doing. You're not getting any spins. No spins. No more spins. We're done. Spins are over. Spins are over. I thought you were supposed to be nicer. Man, fuck that wheel. Nick, it got so close. The wheel was on your side, bro. The wheel was on your side. Can you thug shake for me? Ban him. Ban him right now. How tall are you for real? I'm 6 foot. $5'4", I saw him today. Let's not spread propaganda. Let's not spread this propaganda. Okay, come on. Let's be real here. All right. Because there's genuinely people out there in the world that think I'm 5'8" or like 5'6" or 5'3" or whatever. You know, let's not push that narrative. What's wrong with 5'8"? No, nothing's wrong with 5'8". I'm just not 5'8". Yo, all the 5'8", 5'6", 5'4" guys came out of the woodworks, bro. Shit was real quiet until I mentioned their heights. Now they're like, yo, hold up. Huh, hold up. I was summoned. Yeah. All my short kings pulled up, bro. Yo. Oh, man. Short kings got to stick together. Facts. No, facts. You know what? You know what it is? If you're short, you got to look at it this way, right? Because you're short, you probably got something else. You know what I'm saying? You got like, maybe you're really funny, you know? Maybe you got that. Maybe you're funny. Maybe you're a funny guy. You could shop at the kids section for shoes. You save a lot of money shopping in the kids section for shoes. You could shop in kids' clothes. You could go large in children's, you know? Being short could be a good thing. It depends on how you look at it, right? It's all about perspective. Actually buy kids' shoes? No, I would too. If I was short, I would 100% buy kids' shoes. Will, I'm not even reading your message out, gang. I'm not even reading your message out. Wait, Kyrie, what did you say? Hold up. I'm 6 foot and my guy is an inch shorter. Y'all have hope, don't worry. Kyrie, you're 6 foot? Why are you not in the WNBA? Why are we trading? What's going on? Right? And second of all, I didn't know, I didn't know, like, women are, like, into that. Like, if, I guess I'm, like, not into it, but, like, I didn't know that was a thing. Like, actually, all right, whatever, bro. I just didn't think that girls would, like, liked a guy that was shorter. Like, I would assume that a girl would want to be with a guy, like, the guy that she's going to be with, she'd want him to be taller, no? Or I guess it just doesn't matter. Short kings are in. 5'10", 5'11" is in. BTW guys, Key thought I was parking authority when I pulled up. I did think you were parking authority, bro. I was a D1 athlete, so I use my height. Okay, fair. Good. My BF is over a foot taller than me. That's crazy. I'm 4... I'm 4'11". Is there a chance for a small little fellow like me in this big world? Bro, probably not. Probably not, gang. You're cooked. He's an inch shorter than me and I still stay? This is crazy. This is crazy. My girl has literally decided to pull up to my chat just to cook me. She just pulled up just to fry me, and then she's gonna leave. That's what's going on here. A girl told me she already had a kid with a tall guy, so now she doesn't care about the height as long as the guy is taller than her. Okay. Yo, bro. Thank you for the love from India, bro, but you do not need to spam it, and you don't need to put 50 of the heart emojis either, bro, but I appreciate it. As a man, I would date a girl that's taller than me. Nah. I don't think so. That just, bro, that looks wrong. Like, it just looks wrong. You're gonna walk around, you're gonna look like her little brother, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, no. That is no good. You can't do that. Bro hates short people. No, I don't hate short people, bro. I wouldn't want my girl to be like my girl is Actually, she can say her height if she wants, but she's shorter than me, right? And I think that's how it should be. I think your girl should be shorter than you. He dead ass hates short people. Haven't you seen Zendaya and Tom? Yeah, I guess that's true, bro. That's true. Couldn't be me. Y'all don't want to know what kind of people he hates? Okay, Will. All right, buddy. Bros GF fried him, pulled up, fried him, and left without explanation. True Sigma Alpha chat. What if you have a boyfriend who has to be the tall one? The one that's not the bottom, right? That would have to be the tall one. Let's try. Yo, Black Platinum on 22's Jake. She's not being serious, bro. Come on, bro. You're literally in the premium, bro. Can we like use brains, please? Yeah, like chill, bro. Come on. Yo, some of you guys like too many CSDs happening? There's not too many CSDs happening. We literally got 2 that are bullish. I'm so sorry. I'm taking my leave now. Dong. What strat is this? PO3, PO3, baby, PO3. I feel like he moves people out the way by grabbing the top of their head and moving to the side. Okay. Okay. Why are you still on this trade? Well, it hasn't hit the stop loss, right? Profit maximizer, right? So like in order for me to get out of this trade, it would have to either hit the take profit or the stop loss. One of those two things would need to happen. It hasn't done either. So that would mean that I'm still in the trade. Riz. Wait, what's Riz? Accumulation, manipulation, accumulation. Facts. We need a story like Lolo and that Russian girl. Yeah, bro. What happened to Lolo and that Russian girl, bro? You guys think they took it out of the YouTube chat? Like they I don't know if they made it. Like, I hope they did. That would be crazy if a love story, like, if a love story began in the Keyflow Asia live YouTube chat. Check Cobra's Zen. What the fuck am I looking at, man? Bro. Nick. Is this you? Bro, what are you doing? Bro, that is crazy. Story time. Story time. I asked Keyflow to meet up for lunch. He shows up 5 hours late. Maybach fully tinted. It might have been a Waymo. He sits down, eats nothing. I eat a full course meal. Yo. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Those memes are the funniest shit ever, bro. That shit is hilarious, bro. Yo, the fact that like whole thing came from a 40-year-old man, FaZe Banks, by the way, 40 years old, is crazy work. Like, the glaze is insanity. My cortisol is spiking from this trade? I know, bro. I'm low-key getting a little bit of a cortisol spike myself, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Keyflow asked me to go for lunch. I turned it down. I turned it down. Keyflow offered me like 10 million, 15 million, something like that. 5 million, 10 million, 15 million. For a restaurant out in Jacksonville. I had to go and eat for like this decade. But turn it down just to do this. Just to grind from the route. It was in the million. But I was so younger, like. But I was so younger, like. Dropping by, showing love. Thank you, Green, bro. Love you, man. Give this trade a blue chew. I know, dude. I know. I was buying calls throughout that monthly low sweep / gap. How are your longs doing? How are they doing? I'm glad somebody asked. OC Dog Trainer. I'm glad somebody asked me. I've been waiting. I've been waiting. How are they doing? They're up 65%. Yep. They're up 65%. Yep. Every single day I'm waking up and I am up an incredible amount of money every single day. You know, it's great. We're living life. But yeah. Nick, your leaks are surfacing. Yeah, Nick. Bro, I don't know if you're beating the allegations, Nick. Your leaks are out, bro. Bro, this thing is going so slow, man. It might be movie night time, bro. This is crazy. It's already 11. What are we doing? Absolutely ridiculous price action. Like, bro, if you're gonna stop me out, just give me the 15-minute gap so that I can, like, go on about my day. Let me get my entry and go and enjoy the rest of my day, man. Like, damn. So flippin' slow here. Stream a free movie on YouTube, brother. This YouTube channel will cease to exist. I'm gonna get banned so quickly, bro. If we watch a movie here, it's gonna be cooked. I'm not copy trading right now. I'm doing one account. One account. Maybe this might want to give me the 15-minute gap, the lower 15-minute gap. Looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to. Lower 15-minute gap. We will have SMT there because ES is much higher in this range than NQ is. So if we go to that 15-minute gap, we'll have some nice SMT. And then maybe get something there. Let's see. Let's see. Tomorrow, as far tomorrow. I'm starting the new TPTs tomorrow. My friend is saying if I make you laugh on the live, he'll give me 2 TPT 50k evals. Okay, yeah, if you can make me laugh, I'll... Yeah, sure, yeah, go ahead. Try to make me laugh. It's gonna be hard, bro. I'm hard. It's hard to make me laugh. Your plan would be to stop out, then enter a little bit under your stop. Yeah, this trade would stop out because, well, this is still an entry, right? Because we had a 1 minute CISD here from the current 15-minute gap that we're in. We put an SMT with this one. So I tried it. I took it. But yeah, now it's pretty weak. So, I mean, we'll see. The plan, though, yeah, it would be I basically end up stopping out of this trade and then re-enter this one. That would be the plan. That is the plan. Honestly, though, if it continues under this low, if we get a closure underneath this low, it might just be worth just getting out of it. Let's see. Let's see. Somebody said bro's losing all day. That's what this kid just said, by the way. RD3 Media 689. He said bro's losing all day before his message got deleted. Yo, RD3 Media, take your stupid ass over to my New York stream, which is public, by the way. If you take your dumb ass over to my New York stream and watch that in its entirety, then you'll see who's losing all day, I guess. Trying to get it along if this one doesn't work. Yeah. If this one doesn't work, I'll get into the lower 15-minute. Let's see. New low right here. If we crack this low, I'll just put a stop. I'll move my stop like directly underneath this low. Actually, it could be like right at the low. And if we go to that low, then that obviously just means we're delivering from this 1 minute gap right here, right? And that we would expect it to continue lower into that 15-minute right here. I think the best look now would be, now that we're at 11, now that we're almost yeah, we're at like 11:10, almost 11:15. Okay, I stopped there. Hold on. Let me pause the music real quick so I can tell you guys what I'm looking for, because I'm gonna hop off live. But the best look for me, IMO, is going to be if we just consolidate above this gap until midnight, and then midnight opens, and then we go lower into this 15-minute and then go higher from there. That's what I would like to see, because that would be perfect midnight manipulation. But it's kind of weak, so it might just hit it now. Like, it might just get there now. All I know is this 4 hour is going to go higher at some point. At some point, this 4 hour is going to go higher, right? And it's just about getting an entry between this area that we're trading in and this low, okay? Because this low is protected. So there's no reason for us to deliver below this low, right? We have the 4 hour wick CE here at 880. That could be a possible entry point, and then this 15-minute gap, and then this 15-minute gap, potential entry points. But yeah, like, bro, best case scenario, we do it after midnight, because then we properly manipulate midnight, and it looks really good. He's a winner forever. What a great girlfriend. What a great girlfriend, man. W girlfriend? Yeah, W girlfriend. W girlfriend. W wife soon. Now we don't have 3 FVG, just target lower? No. We do still have 3 FVGs here, bro. We do still have 3 FVGs. Don't worry. It's the middle one is gonna still be the middle one, because look, like, we're in the first one. We still have 3 FVGs. It doesn't, just because we're in the first one doesn't negate that we have 3. Key, I'm gonna ban her for saying that, right? That's the right call, right? You're an idiot. Okay, guys. I'm gonna hop off. We met on Roblox is crazy. That's crazy. I'm gonna hop off here. Love you all. I'll see you guys in tomorrow morning stream. I would like to see this 15-minute gap, longs out of this 15-minute gap, right? Come hit this 15-minute gap, 1 minute CISD to the upside. SMT, 1 minute CISD to the upside, and I'm in, okay? If you guys don't know, like if you're free and you're not in the premium side, okay, and you see that happen, chances are I took the trade, okay? W. Oh, there's the 15-minute gap. But yeah. That's it. That's pretty much all I got. I'm going to look to enter somewhere in this area as soon as we get 1 minute CSD up. And then it's going to be just a all-night grind to the upside, probably until AM. But yeah. That's it. Peace out. Yeah, that's it.